man. Before I can get a Roger, man, but it's all good. Hey, good to hear there, 131. You're doing the same old thing. Sounds like nothing much has changed. You got that station rocking on. As I said, man, I had your 20-pound lockdown, just listening to your show, trying to get it back, but most of the time I knew I'd just be talking to myself. Hey, 131, appreciate this. Get back, Mother Nature ride right about now. But, better late than never. Once again, this station 750. Good, and this smooth sound. I haven't got much on the DBs, but I'll do what else I can. I'll get this sound right here. Fill up your headphones as usual. 131, 750. Did it again.
Roger, yeah, it's come on down. Yeah, Mother Nature definitely came on down, but, get it out, man. You know, I'm a lightweight, man. It's only my third beer at the evening time. That's pretty bad. Hey, 750, man. It's like dipping and a dabbing between about 6 to 7 S units over here. So, you know, but the mini grass just about faded on out. And they're coming in real clean, man. That was last time around. Everything you said was coming out of my headphones crystal clear. And hopefully I'm doing about half as good. If I'm doing half as good, we're doing real good on this talk show. 8750. Yeah, I mean, I got the Watergate rolling too, man. Just a very ought to know. May wake up some people way down under. Getting down in the world of sound, man. And I'm on the side. Break it.
If you like what you're hearing tonight, fuck off.
I don't know half as good. I guess if you're doing twice, it's kind of getting a bit better, man. I think you're hitting about a 10 dB, so it's pretty good. Hey, 131, man. Well, what can I say? 10 dB. Hey, no drinking here, man. It'll just be 1 p.m., man. It'll just be cruising 1 p.m. So you're only on to your third, man. You might have to taking it easy till I do 131. This sounds like you're taking it pretty easy, but there we go, man. I'm not too sure how long this is going to hold up, but I'll keep it going while I can. Hey, 131, look at these 750 sounds saying...
I think you're going to like what you hear on the gate. Yeah, I think you're going to like what you're hearing on the gate. And because everything I heard is just you. It's like, those conditions like we had quite a few times, man, where it's just pretty much you and me talking on the channel. Just sitting back, kicking back a few beers and talking like neighbors, man. Because you're an armchair copy right now. And not a huge signal, but it's armchair copy, man. But speaking of armchair copy, I think I'm going to go for beer number 4. So I'm going to take a side and give a pause for the cause, man. I'm sure somebody wants to dive on in trying to get way down under. 8750. I'm going to grab an icy cold one and stand on by.
I'll now pause for breakers.
I know, 131. You got to get your full time here. Hey, 131. Someone was running it, I couldn't quite work it out. It's 28, because looks like one of your neighbors went to fight a little bit, so I'll see if I can get that 28 straight. I don't know, I don't know if you're calling 750, but I've got it right about now. 131, making a rough. Making a rough on 131. Who's that calling this 750 station? Come on down.
Well, if they're going to make it rough and tough, you got 750. If they're going to make it rough and tough, man, I'm going to make it rough and tough on them. I'm going to make it rough and tough on them, man. It works both ways. Gotta grab a cold one. I'm gone.
Back, but I know you couldn't get my cool song straight, man. I guess you've been out there, Smokestack, but hey, I got you in the cherry patch right about now. You just be walking right in, you saw the 9 dB and you just kept on going, man. You looked at that 9 and then you sort of looked behind it right about now. Hey, Smokestack, what's going on, man? Welcome to my cherry patch. Welcome to Down Under Weekend Time, Smokestack. Been a while, man, but here we are, right about now, 750. Welcome, come on.
Earlier, man, but damn, bro, right there, you up in a red. I got you, Greg, on